if you like to go snorkeling, there are some new rules that have just been announced by the Thailand Marine Department, which I'm going to tell you about now. One of those rules is don't wear a stupid mask like this. But anyway, make sure you watch this video for the new updates and rules on snorkeling here in Thailand.
Hello, Jay Leshark here. That was me earlier in my snorkel mask and different colour shirt on. There's a story behind that, but we'll leave that one.
Flashback.
Fully on board.
Change them again.
Did anyone see that?
It's like a ghost of girlfriends.
What are you doing here?
End of flashback.
Anyway, it's me, Jay Leshark here, 5-Star Marine. I have got a very important update for you if you're going to come out snorkeling with us here in Phuket. As of the other day, now, basically, the Thai government has introduced brand new regulations to help protect our beautiful coral reefs. And we at 5-Star Marine are fully on board with this. That's right. Now, these changes are here to ensure that our oceans stay just as vibrant and thriving for future generations and adventurers just like you and your children and your children's children and your children's 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 children's. So, here's what you need to know before you hit the water with us at 5-Star Marine. Number one, life jackets are a must. Now, all snorkelers in coral reef areas must now wear a life jacket. It's not just for safety, it keeps you floating above the reef so we don't accidentally damage it with your fins or with your feet. Now, we do have life jackets on board and we do recommend to people when they do go snorkeling to wear life jackets. Now it's a must. Okay? Good. Number two, water depth matters. We've been saying this for years, that size matters, and it does.
That's what she said.
Apparently, now we can only snorkel in areas where the water is at least 2 meters deep above the coral. That means that our guides will be choosing the snorkeling spots carefully to make sure that we, that's you, do not come close to the coral reef. You can still see it, of course, but the idea is you don't kick it or hit with your fins or anything like that, because that's bad. 3, no touching, kicking or feeding. That's right. Please do not touch or kick the coral and don't feed the fish. Now, this happens on mainly group tours. We do see it quite a lot when a big group comes to a snorkeling spot. They throw bread, they throw whatever else, watermelon and stuff in the water, and the fish come and they're like, oh look, fishies, that's great, great. Fish don't eat bread. They don't have sandwiches. You don't see old Nemo having a ham and cheese sandwich, do you? No, he doesn't. He doesn't like baguettes either. He's not a French fish. Do French fish like baguettes? I don't know, they might do. Anyway, please don't feed the fish, okay? We want to keep their environment as natural and undisturbed as possible. There are loads of fishies there. You don't need to feed them to get them there. Just relax and cruise. Yes. Number 4, fins use with care. Fins, or as I like to call them, flippers, although you get told off when you call them flipper. Not Flipper the dolphin. That wasn't really a dolphin, was it? Don't know what that was. Anyway, we're not talking about Flipper the dolphin. We're talking about fins, flippers that you wear on your feet and you kick them. Now, if you are using fins, and we do have them on board, all our boats, our team and our guides will guide you how to use them properly, okay, to stop any accidental damage, because a lot of people just have them right down the bottom. The idea is to have them on the top and just nice and gently, like this, look, like this, flowing, flowing, flowing. Okay, we might even do a little test swim before you go to the reef so you get used to it. If you don't want to use fins, obviously you don't have to, but they are quite good if you just want to cruise around nice and gently. Cruise, I'm doing more cruising, look, I'm cruising out of the picture. So I have to say, all these 4 points, 5-Star Marine guides have always been doing this for a long time anyway, because we've been caring about the coral for an absolute ages. It's part of our remit here at 5-Star Marine to care about the environment, sustainability and all that jazz. And so we've always told people when they go out snorkeling, be really careful, don't touch the coral. Please, if you don't want to use fins, don't use fins if you've never used them before. Please don't feed the fish, etc, 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 etc. Okay, so we're on board with this already. So these changes are part of Thailand's big push to protect and preserve our underwater paradise. And as I said, we at 5-Star Marine are proud to lead the way and be responsible, eco-friendly snorkeling experiences. Got it? Good. Right, if you've got any questions about the new rules or how we're going to adapt them on our tours, then just ask our awesome crew if you're here on tour, or just comment below and I will reply back to you. We're here to help you enjoy the ocean safely, respectfully, and of course, in style. 5-star style, that is. Got it? Good. Right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for a fun, safe, and reef-friendly adventure. Remember, leave only bubbles and take only memories. Woohoo!